Welcome to Fieldays. To showcase our research, we have an asparagus harvester, a log scanner and a 3D printer. Come check it out.
This is our asparagus harvester. It uses 3D camera technology to map out where asparagus are and harvest them. Asparagus picking is hard work and this machine can do it for you.
Hey, my name's Josh. I'm here with the asparagus harvester at Fieldays. I designed and built it. We took it over to America recently as a prototype where it was successful. As you can see on the screen here, we've got the machine vision system with the asparagus being located and then sent through to our robotic arm here. It's working in real time and actuating.
So what we have over here, some 3D printers that the university owns, and what we're doing is 3D printing artificial asparagus. Now these we use to train the machine vision system on the asparagus harvester that we can see over here.
Kate here from the Chiefs Rugby Club. We've been here with our Galahad Chiefs to visit the University of Waikato site here at Fieldays. Awesome effort, it looked great and we managed to get the Prime Minister here.